Make sure I've got sound, because last time I didn't have sound. Now what the hell's going on? There we go. All right, do I have sound? That's always good. FaceTime, internal microphone. Yes, we do. We've got sound. All right, so I've got you on student view here. Oh, by the way, let me go back and let's take a glimpse of me here, real quick. There we are. All right. Hi, I'm Professor Riggs. I'm your teacher or your instructor here for backyard physics. I've got you loaded. You are ready to go. We're 3 or 4 days or almost a week, whole week before class is officially supposed to start. But I went ahead and put it up there in case you're bored or you're curious about this thing and you want to start fishing around and looking for things. There will be 3 labs. Now in this class there are 3 labs that you actually, physical labs that you do where you collect data and do a few little physicsy things. The first lab is you actually do a little physics to figure reaction times on people. And I will be upfront with you. Your first lab is probably the most time consuming and the hardest one. But that's okay. You'll be fine. This is about my 3rd year of teaching this, of putting this together, our 6th semester, and it gets a little better each time, and we're making improvements. So enjoy and welcome aboard, and I'm glad you're here. Let's take a little tour real quick of some things. I didn't want to make this a real long video, so let me click off there. All right, so here, let's go to your syllabus, because there's some unique things here. We'll just look at the syllabus real quick. I think that's important. Call that up. There we are. Okay, here's your syllabus, March 15th through May 8th. Here's my office hours, and of course you can call me at any time. Pretty much I'm here between 10 and 3. And then because I get up so early and start working and stuff, I'm done at 3. Okay, so here's explanation of the class, and here's your at-home labs. There will be 3, and then there's pre-lab and concept questions that go with it. Now, one of the things we do is we're going to use this Top Hat thing, and Top Hat is free to you. All right, I've already told them if you get charged, stop. Or if they want a credit card, when you log in to Top Hat and they ask you for a credit card, stop. Just stop and let me know, and I will contact them. All right, here's your course join number right here, and the course is free. If you're charged, call this number, and they will happily refund your credit card. Okay, but I would prefer you to call that number if they're trying to charge you. You'll have, actually, I'm giving you 2 weeks to do the whole thing, and 3 weeks to do the last one, just because that's the way it works out. Okay. All right, so labs are 60% of your grade, and you'll turn them in on Canvas. All right, and so let's go look, and then the rest it's all self-explanatory. And here's the tentative schedule. April 5th, first lab is due with the pre-lab, and lab all due at the same time. I have a grader, and she's fantastic, and she will grade Alicia, and she will grade these for you. And then we've got, and the machine will grade this one. So I'm the face. I'm Pinky, and then I have the brain working for me here. All right, so, and here's some more stuff on things, and that's it. All right, I think syllabi, you can read them. It's an online class. That's what it's for. All right, so let's go and let's look and see what this Top Hat thing looks like. I've been loading all your stuff. All right, here's Top Hat. It's already loaded and ready for you to go. All right, so let me deselect these items. Now, these green ones here I have not assigned yet, but look, you can already get in there and start working on this if you want to. You're cleared hot once you log into Top Hat and are ready to go. And this is what your side looks a little different than mine. This is the instructor side. Let's just take a look at it from the full screen. All right, so here's a video. Watch this, and then we explain things. And then as we're coming along, I explain some more. And here's your little pre-lab quiz. And then I answer some more questions. And here's your little pre-lab, more questions. And then you're going to actually use this software, use Calculator, or what I want you to do is use the t-test for 2 independent means, okay, and then find the p-values. Now you might be going, oh my God, what am I going to do? It's easy. It's easy. It does it for you. You'll just, but I don't want to get into that now. I'm just introducing you to the course. All right, if you want to get started, knock yourself out. So there we go. And then we'll ask some more questions. And that's it. And that's the pre-lab. All right. And then you'll come and you'll turn in, and here's lab 1. And it's got some specifics on there that I talked to you about on how to do it. And here's a video on how to do it. Then your lab 1 worksheet. You can also access your lab 1 worksheet. You can come over here and you go to modules. All right. Go to the modules section, and there's the write-ups. There's the worksheets that you can access. And when you come down to assignments, this is where you will post your worksheets. Okay, so you'll download them here on the modules, and then you will post them. So if you come in here, you click on here, it goes worksheet. Okay, and it goes submit assignment. Boom. You do the file upload, choose a file. Assignment, you can make some comments like, Professor Riggs, this was bootsy. I don't want to do this no more. All right, or something like that. That's fine. You can do that, but please, it'll hurt my feelings. All right, then hit submit assignment, and you're on your way. All right, that's the mechanics of the course. It's a piece of cake. I'll talk to you more about, as you go through the thing, you'll see more on it. I just wanted to introduce myself and to say welcome aboard, and that you can start working now if you want to. All right, out here.